Hey, I'm Mark Hartman down here at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois. I'm inside of a gorgeous 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. High country, mind you. I'm going to show you guys how to work the wireless charging pad that is right underneath the center screen. So I have a Galaxy Samsung S8, and I'm going to show you, because this has a wireless charging back, how that works. Now, right down here is like a little square, obviously the size of a cell phone, and it even gives you like little instructions right here to show you exactly what side and the way the phone is supposed to be positioned. Now, I will put my phone down. So simple, so easy. Take a look at this. That little green arrow was not there before. It is now. It indicates that your phone's being charged by the wireless charging pad. And just to let you guys know, not every single smartphone is accessible for the wireless charging pad. You would have to have a Galaxy S7 and above, the new Apple X or Apple 10, depending on who you talk to, or you just have to have a special case that can work with the charging pad. Keep that in mind when you guys are trying to operate the wireless charging pad. Once again, my name is Mark Hartman down here at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois. You've just been informed.